Okay, Hoover got on the porch all by himself. Just needed a little bit of reminder where the step was. Hey, buddy, you're doing good with the porch. And looks a little better since it's cleaned off. I guess I'm gonna have to invest in a power washer. What are you doing, Trash Piggy? Come here, Hoover. Come here, buddy. Come here. Hi, Hoover. What are you doing, buddy? Just want some loves. Some lovies. Go play, Fern. It's my son's golden lab. I can't say it's a golden retriever because she's a retriever and a lab mix. So I call her a golden lab. I guess that's what she's supposed to be called. Are you tilling up around the pool? Yeah. The goats won't eat it. Oh, they're spoiled. Don't bite me. I like my kneecaps. Say Piggy Piggy. Have to get your bed washed. And then you can sleep on the patio tonight on your bed. You don't gotta sleep in the yard. Or one of those little piggy huts. You will be a house pig eventually. Shh. We're not gonna tell everybody. Stop wiping your dirt on me. Gonna wipe that off? Hey, wipe that off. Don't make more of them, Bess. I know. Ah, I give up. You can keep this. There. Wipe some sunscreen on for you later. There. Let's see if we can clean this up. Ugh. Hoover. Come on. What you doing? Hi, bud. Show everybody his eyes. No, don't move. No. Here, give me a little bit of dirt. It's very hard to see. See if I can. I know, you just want to eat my phone. Yeah, his eyes go inward. So he's got piggy strabismus, I'm assuming. Oh, he's just gonna rub all over me. That's the only thing I know what to call it, piggy strabismus. Because I had to get surgery at 15, and then at, I want to say 35, maybe 38, to fix my eyes, which they told me was strabismus. So we got the same condition, I guess.